Unlock the hidden potential of your data with Tableau, as we dive beyond just charts and graphs and explore its powerful data handling capabilities. First, connecting to your data is key. Tableau seamlessly integrates with a wide range of sources, from Excel and CSV files to databases, like SQL Server and cloud platforms like Amazon Redshift. Simply select your data source, provide the necessary credentials, and Tableau will import your data. What if your data is scattered across multiple sources? No problem. Tableau's data blending feature lets you combine related data sets based on common fields, like customer ID or date, creating a unified view for analysis. Now, let's clean up that data. Tableau offers a suite of tools to tackle messy data. You can filter out irrelevant information, replace incorrect values, split columns, and even change data types, ensuring your data is accurate and consistent. Finally, unleash the power of calculations. Create new fields based on existing data using Tableau's intuitive formula editor. Perform arithmetic operations, string manipulations, date calculations, and more to derive valuable insights and prepare your data for impactful visualizations. And voila! It is that simple to work with data on Tableau.